Let's start the next PPT. A PowerPoint presentation on the business of electrical vehicles. Like you have known that the solar plants and solar energies are growing very perspectively and long way. It is a very similar things that you have to done that their petrols and diesels, their crude oils we can say that are less in our land soil, so we can use the green energy, and it is kind of a solar energy, wind energy, that we can produce a nuclear energy, and they can produce a power and we can use it like, because it is a renewable energy. The sun is never going to end, and radiations and the plants, so we can say that these renewable energies are very useful to us to make more powerful. That the opportunity and available market scenario of electrical cars, that electrical cars have the vast opportunity in the upcoming future because of the solution and gasoline of fuels. Like we said that this is a land fuels, okay. Because they are in the soil, uh, crude oil we can say. The since of all fuels we have the limited and we will run out on the fuels in near future, this is can be the next productive and the procedures of a cures of less global warming. Yes, electric cars have no global warmings. There are no burning out gases and in the exhaust. The move of electric mobility has been always been a priority of the government of our Indian government, that in the 2005 basis. But in the last year budget interim, they can give a huge budget of renewable energy up to, they have to extend the renewable energy up to 3% to 25%. So it is the big availability in the market of electrical cars. Okay, with the government at the push of inflation and setup of electrical vehicle market, it is needed in a hot segment to the invest the from buses, cars, two-wheelers, three-wheelers companies across the spectrum. Recently we have seen the MG Morris Garage had launched their hybrid car. You can say that that four-wheeler companies like Tata, Maruti, Morris Garage, Hyundai Motors reducing their electric modes and 2020 launch. Okay. So India is the world's largest company of a two-wheeler market, and the landing of a market of a two-wheeler and a three-wheeler with over 99% of electrical vehicle sales upcoming into the two and three-wheeler segment. The future outcoming remains strong of this segment. Welcoming the government move that Soliantar Gill, CEO that Hero Electrical Vehicles and Director General of Security Society and Manufacturing, provides that additional income tax deduction of 1.5 lakhs of a procedure and purchase of the electrical vehicles, and encourage customers to the opposition option of electrical vehicles. He added that the next 12 months of a crucial of electrical vehicles growth in India, which requires a concerned approach of a both from manufacturers and a government of a law that praises and the delivery quality of product and educate the customers. That risk associated with this business, risk with this getting the supplies electrical vehicle run in the lithium ion batteries, with regards to lithium only for the countries like in Argentina, Australia, Chile and China combined, the generating nearly 80% of a global supply. Other key players in the lithium game are China and Zimbabwe, because Zimbabwe is the largest producer of lithium, and so it is the hard to import a lithium because it either a restrictions of a government or higher import duties. Tesla is the best example of electrical cars and hybrid cars. They are all known from this century by this the electrical cars, electrical vehicles they are producing, and hybrid cars producing that. So Tesla has experienced an unexpected supply of a shortage caused by a multi-business partners many times, which have forced that company and postponed that launch of some latest car models and supply demands of car. Therefore, generating a direct and several financial losses that automotive manufacturer have to prepare for. The lack of infrastructure investment. according to a Morgan Settle, a well-known businessman of electric segments, and they said that $2.7 trillion infrastructure investment is needed near the future market of electrical cars and lasting the success of the next 2 decades. The areas of required and investment are not only down to the local cars and charging points. Yes, this is the big problem that you have. No, that Tesla said that even you have a full charge of battery that can run a 200 to 300 kilometers. So that can you have to provide a minimum 50 kilometers area had a electrical charging points. So you can feel the charge and go run through the where you want to go. It is also power grid extension and subsidies and grantees and national worldwide green energy. So manufacturing also have the significant oceanly improve a battery performance and a chemistry to increase the electrical car ranges and massive changes in the batteries excuses and recycle as well as makes as the technology more attractive and end users despite and a high productive cost. Electrical vehicles are not used as a green as you might think. This is the risk association with this business of electrical vehicles or electrical cars. First, many electrical cars are components heavy, light, and end of recycled values. Okay, this is especially true the lithium ion batteries. This is a very harmful battery that will explode early and in a high flame. So you have to deal with this problem. The second, only the percentage small percentage of power grids and providing electricity to charge one cars and greens. The term also important and most of a mixed renewable energies. Third, natural resources such as nickel and cobalt. These all are magnetic materials generating the EMF which provides in electrical vehicles that highly in the soil and water pollution when being the mine and smelted. As a media and a civil society attention and scrutiny have massively increased in the recent years with the regarding of the global extension of the commodity trading industry as well as the electrical cars buyers having become more and large through the social media and now better occupied by publicly company that ever before that stake of automotive manufacturer has been raised significantly. Expected growth in the near term. See, the almost 90 years of the growth will be oriented in the developing of and developed countries. India plans the sale of electrical cars by 2030, and China as much as 20% of a projected 35 million annual vehicle sales should be made up in the alternative fuels in 2025. The Ministry of Heavy Industries and the plant of an Indian rupee 20,000 to 23,000 crores and plans under the National Electrical Vehicles Mission possibly the promotes electrical vehicles mobility over the next years. The government plans to invest around 12,250 to 13,850 crores and the rest will be the investment by the companies or industries which included in the automotive sectors. So GAIL has estimated the expanding the network of 298 cities in 2014 required an investment of 37,170 crores. The compare of the entire 8,000 to 9,000 crores being required to spend in research and development area of this kind of particular so this is not a big deal of a car. You have a make a car but you if you have to run worldwidely, so you have a particular areas in the charging points in the distance of particular similar areas. So in India, that in her mid and budget finance ministry of Nirmala Sitaraman, she is the minister of finance minister and made us switching to electrical vehicles priority. So she has allocated 10,000 crores of a faster adoption and manufacturing electrical vehicles scheme that called as FME 2. The GST Council has already lowered the GST of electrical vehicles from the 20% to 5%. Since this is the big margin of GST reduction of 12 to 5%, almost of difference of 7%. The government also announced the customs duties expansion and the lithium ion cells, which will be lower to cast lithium and ion batteries in the India as the not productive locally. Panasonic is targeting to set up around the lakh charging stations for electrical vehicles and across the 25 top Indian cities in 2014, like Chennai, Delhi, Pune, Amravati, Hyderabad, Gurgaon, Noida, Ghaziabad, and in Gujarat, especially and Baroda, Surat, and Ahmedabad. Financial infrastructure and other necessities that you have to need that uh, most important thing in the electrical vehicles are public infrastructure models, the providing charging points publicly. Then you have to some kind of space challenges opportunities in a 49 reserves in electrical vehicles. So it is seek to provide access of charging for the those consumers to lack the home charging. Private infrastructure models, you can use the private models like you have gas stations or you have petrol pumps, like that is an electrical station. There you have charge and run your vehicle electrical vehicles. So this is some manufacturer has tried to address the issue of taking up the challenges of developing charging infrastructure themselves. Electron India Limited, the financial state in the 2010 that would be collaborated with the local garage owns with the radius of 3 kilometers and major cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore, and Ahmedabad of installing a charging substation. A similar plan was also articled by the Hero Electrical and with the aim of appreciate by the 10,000 charging stations around 2009 to 2010. But due to restrictions of the government policies, it cannot be happen. So in the FAME 2, where Nirmala Sitaraman ji said that our finance minister said that 10,000 crores of budget will given to establish the stations of electrical stations provide to the electrical vehicles around to 2024 to 2026. Local government residencies, the government approaches adopted the model of a building by laws in 2016 and urban region development plans from at the 2014 set up charging stations and electronic vehicles across the country. With this, government aims to move 25% to the transportation of electrical vehicles by 2030, and the government permitted the private charging residents and often charging stations will be every 25 kilometers both the side highway and roads. So this is the good initiative by the government of recent government. Licensing and other registration, it is required to licensing a brand as well as registering the infrastructure and buying the copyright and trademark by the proper procedure. It is also required to patent the body of an engine, and it is part of everything from the batteries, TPO car and vehicle body, typical car and vehicle body. This is the function and marketing, business function and marketing. Electrical vehicles providing the remains same as the other vehicles are providing. Other vehicles as line as production and manufacturing such as vehicle. This is will be useful manufacture of electrical vehicles. Conclusion is that the key roadblock to the electrical vehicles growth do not seem to be related to the value of chain, lack of a charging infrastructure, policies, economies, and environmental related by the rather Indian consumer preparation, more specifically chases design, range, and anxiety. This is the challenges of the design side. But I am saying about that in a very country like green countries like New Zealand, then Fiji, that they had at their own Sweden, Finland, their own stations and electrical cables through all over the country to run this electrical vehicles over the roads. So in India, there is a big problem that the major two-wheeler and three-wheelers are by using the gas, or you have to say that fuels, that petrol and diesel. So we can eliminate this kind of material and reduce the rate of fuel use vehicles and use the electrical cars. So this is the problems over the adopting this business idea of electrical vehicles. And the factor considering when the vehicle purchase direction is made, that purchase cost and the key factors, competition and which triggers product innovation and percentage choice of the consumer. Thank you so much.